Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus IS250 rearview mirror. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a T20 Torx bit screwdriver to loosen the main mounting screw. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim tool can be helpful for gently prying off the plastic cover. Make sure you have adequate lighting to clearly see all the small parts and connections. Now, let's begin the removal process. Start by gently folding the rearview mirror downwards. This provides better access to the base where it connects to the windshield. You will see a plastic cover around the mirror's stem. Carefully slide this cover downwards. It should come off with a gentle pull, revealing the electrical connector and the mounting screw underneath. With the cover removed, you will see an electrical connector. Press the small tab on this connector and gently pull it to disconnect the wiring. Next, locate the single screw hole at the bottom of the mirror mount. Insert your T20 Torx bit screwdriver and loosen the screw by turning it counterclockwise a few rotations. You do not need to remove the screw completely, just loosen it. After loosening the Torx screw, the mirror assembly is ready to be detached. Firmly grasp the mirror and slide the entire assembly upwards, away from the windshield. It should slide off the mounting bracket cleanly. Be sure to keep all removed components, including the plastic cover and the screw, in a safe place for when you are ready to reinstall or replace your rearview mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.